Hi, I'm back with another Temu video. I liked my last one where I did a little bit higher end items, so I went back and did that again. Got a few high ends, a few smaller end price range, and let's see what they are. First we'll start out with this is a hook that we're creating a bathroom in our house, so we'll have a nice little master ensuite. And I thought that would be really cute to hang our towels on. So we got that. It also came, you could drill into that or just use that on the back and stick it to the wall. And it feels like it's pretty sticky there. So I think it should hold up. We'll see. Yeah, it's pretty sticky. So we'll see how that goes. I'm not sure if we'll do drilling the hole or use that. And you actually got two. They each came in their own baggie. But they both look similar. They both came with the 3M double-sided tape. But I'm very impressed with the quality. It feels like it's actual wood. Beautiful stain. Very high-end looking. So I was really happy with that. Paid a little bit more for these, but it was worth it. Then let's go with this item. This, I've seen these on Amazon. It was a lot cheaper in Temu. I've been really into Aki bowls, so frozen fruit, and then you put some like granola and stuff on top. But then in my blender, I make a lot of extra, and I thought it'd be fun to put them in like something like this with a lid. And then I could just pop them out when I need one. And I did know this was probably going to be small. It said large ice cubes. It is just large ice cubes. I probably wanted more like, maybe take out this division and have like just two. But I could always pour it and then just pop out a couple different sections to make it work. It's a nice silicone. And it's really nice that it has a lid. I'm not sure for how much I'll use it. I'll just use my glass containers as well, but I might also use this as well. The lid's not super tight on it, like it doesn't clasp, but it does cover it. But that's that. It would work really well for ice cubes though, which is its intended purpose. Or probably even some type of resin mold, stuff like that could be nice. And then you could cover it so stuff doesn't land in your resin. Takes just a little bit of time to really close it if you wanted. But once it's on, it actually does hold pretty well. So it's nice. Next, I'll go with these. They are, let me open them first, 1 second. So this is what it looks like here. It just clips onto a bag. There is actually a protective layer. You can kind of see it here. I don't want to pull them off quite yet. On the front and the back, I made the mistake of writing on it at the beginning, which is fine because it still comes off just fine, so you can do that. Probably will come off a little bit easier when you take off the plastic wrap, because you can still kind of faintly see that there. I don't know if you can, but I can. Someone also said if it doesn't come off of this, use those dry erase magic erasers, and that will work really well to take off just the dry erase marker. I'm actually going to put my own little label on these, and I'm working on, I have like a cube shelf, and then I have these little baskets, and I'm clipping these with all my labels on it, and I'm still working on that. I knew I needed more, so I got more. I really like these, they've been working well. But once I figure out what all the labels are gonna say, then I'll make the actual labels for them. But they clip on really nicely to my little baskets, and I'm loving these. I'll do a quick photo here for you of what it's looking like right now, but great product if you need those. So let's do another cheaper item next. This is to hold washi tape. You could do regular tape too. I haven't tested this out yet, so we'll see how it works. I just put the washi tape in. I have a glitter one and a regular one. We'll do this. So you're supposed to pour it out, and then now you have a nice piece of washi tape. It works just like a tape dispenser. It's pretty much what I expected. So it works well. And it took me just a second to figure out how to insert them. So if you notice, see it twists here. And then you can pour it out. Put them in. It'll actually come all the way out. And then put it back and twist. So there's like 2 little slots that open so you can put them in. So I thought that'd be kind of fun just to keep all my washi tapes. I wish it didn't do this, like this line. I wish it was a nice smooth line versus the bumps. So the only drawback, but not too bad. Let's do a fun one next. Yes, that is a piece of broccoli. The next one is this little cutter. You're supposed to use it to cut things like strawberries or bananas, but we need to go to the grocery. We just finished the last of our strawberries yesterday, so I'm gonna see. The blades, they're not super sharp, like I can do that and it's not gonna cut me. So we'll see how it does this piece of cooked broccoli. Let's put it down. Kind of just smushed it. Might be a little smushy for it. Blades don't feel super sharp, so maybe this one's just a so-so. But it did cut those pieces nicely, so I'm not sure on this one. Yeah, we'll see on that one, not sure. Buy that one at your own risk, although it's not much of a risk because their return policy is fantastic. And I have not had any issues with it yet. Next, let's do this one next. This is one of those pet brushes I've been wanting to try, and you press the button and it comes out, and then you just grab the cat hair. So I'm gonna switch to me trying it on my 2 cats, and let's see what they think of it. So we'll test out this brush from Temu. You just press it. I was already brushing Lily, so there's some. It comes off easily. Let's see how Callie likes it. I'm sorry, did I wake you up? She usually doesn't like being brushed. But Lily here likes to be brushed, so let's see how she likes it. She's doing little mittens, little biscuits. Yeah, you like to be brushed. See how much hair we got. Comes off pretty easily. Okay. So the last item is my favorite. Oh, this is so much better than I thought it was gonna be. I mean, it was a little pricey. I think it's just for the cover, not the pillow itself. I provided the pillow myself, and they always say size down for the cover so it looks a little bit more full. But it's so soft. I think I paid $8 per Pillowcase. And I got 2 of them. They're slightly different, but they're so soft. I did not expect the quality. It looks like someone hand embroidered it or on the machine. Really looks high end. And actually this was my husband's favorite. He's like typical guy, just okay, it's decoration, no big deal, cool. He saw these and he goes, oh, these are really nice, I really like these. And then the other day he even was asking, wait, where did those pillows go? And I kept them in my craft room so I could show you guys. But I was really excited for these. I think they were like $8 a pillowcase, but definitely worth it. I really like them. I think they turned out great. They're nice neutral, so they match everything. And they are soft. So I'm gonna give these back to the living room or where we decide to put them. But these would probably our favorite. And my husband was actually really excited for these as well. So it's kind of fun when he's a guy even excited for some of these products that I'm picking up. So that's my items from Temu. Don't be afraid to get a little bit more pricier items, because so far they've been great for me, and if you don't like them, you can just return them. Super easy to return. So I hope you enjoyed seeing my experience with them. I've had great experience, so I'm gonna keep buying from them, and I hope you have a good experience as well, and I will see you next week. Bye for now.